Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Unclip the sleeve on the air intake duct. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Remove the 3 screws on the air filter flange with a Torx T25 screwdriver. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Then take off the flange, separating it from the inlet conduit. Take out the old air filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter. Compare the new filter with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Put the air inlet conduit back in. Tighten up the 3 screws. Screw the clamp back on. Reclip the sleeve on the air intake duct. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.